Hi. So um let's pres- let's do I am going to create a video that um it's all about productivity tools, which is the Microsoft Office 365. So first, let us know what is Microsoft Office 365. So here on my documents, so when you say Microsoft Office 365, it is Um, it is can be installed in all devices, but limited to 5 devices only. So how you will install Office 365? So you have to go to the Microsoft Office 365 portal type office.com. You have to remember that installing Office 365, you need to have internet connection. Next is, so I am going to focus on what you call the MS PowerPoint 365. I am going to do the morph effect. So let's proceed. So as you see here, so MS PowerPoint 365. So how how we can create the morph effect on the MS PowerPoints. So here I have a MS PowerPoint. What So this is the example of the morph effect. From the circle going to the here. So how can we do that? So here we have to add another slide. Just hit the enter and then we have to remove this. Okay, we have to delete this and then we have to go as you can see here how we will do the morph effect. So first we have to go to the PowerPoint slide we have created here slide in this PowerPoint presentation. And then after that, we are going to go to insert. So click the insert tab here, and then after that, choose shape. So we have to choose any shape we want. So if you want um here, just like a square, and then add another shape. You have just go here, click the insert tab, and then click the shape, and then just choose another shape. Okay, what shape you want? If you want this, okay, you can do it just like this. And then after that, creating your one shape, go to transition. So we have to go to transition, click the transition tab. You have to move this, and then as you can see here, we have to duplicate this slide. Okay, just click your keyboard control to duplicate your slide. And then after that, if you want this to do a morph, just click the morph. Just click this and then click the morph. So let's see what will happen. They will change. So that is kung paano gagawin yung morph effect on the PowerPoint slide. So that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.